Tonight I'm gonna make oxtail Cuban style. So I decided I was gonna videotape it to show you how we do it. I'm gonna use some carrots, potato, garlic, onion, and a few other things that I will show you in a little bit. I'm gonna add some extra virgin olive. Let's add our meat. So I cut everything, and now I'm gonna add it into the meat with some cooking wine. And add some bay leaves too. Yum yum. I'm also gonna add some adobo, only a little bit. I'm gonna let everything cook for 1 minute or two. And then I'm gonna add my cooking wine and give it a few, like more like 30 or 40 minutes until everything is very well cooked. Alright, I gave it a few more minutes. Now I'm gonna add the cooking wine. And I'm gonna let it cook for about 20 minutes or maybe half an hour till I see that everything is already made up.